Hello and welcome to our eToll-free Cloud Phone Series tutorial. Today, we will be discussing what is conference in the cloud phone system. In today's business landscape, the ability to conduct meetings remotely is not just a convenience, but a necessity. Meet the Conferences application in the cloud phone system, a robust platform for remote interactions. What is a conference? It's essentially a virtual meeting room where multiple participants can engage in real-time communication, regardless of their geographical locations. The Conferences application brings several advantages to the table: accessibility, efficiency, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. It's ideal for remote teams or businesses operating across multiple locations. It's quick setup and can accommodate large number of users. While both the Conferences application and the Conference Center are designed for group communication, they cater to different needs. The Conferences application is a basic tool, providing essential features for setting up and managing audio conferences. On the other hand, the Conference Center offers additional features for comprehensive conference management. In essence, for simple and quick audio conferences, go with the Conferences application. For more complex and feature-rich conferences, the Conference Center is your go-to place. The Conferences application in the cloud phone system, enhancing business communication one conference at a time. So why wait? Start utilizing the power of conferences today. See you in the next video. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll-free.